All right, this is a little tour of the new zipper that I put on this catsuit. Decided to do some crimp on ends, which work a little bit better than folded over latex. So that won't ever come off. And let's see here. Got an extra reinforcement patch right here because the previous zipper actually kind of came out, and that was where the problem was. So I decided to go ahead and kind of add like an extra zipper stop kind of reinforcement patch there. This was a old patch it's on the inside, but that's a customer's patch right there. So I didn't have anything to do with that. But on the inside, if we can get it, see, I put some strips on either side. If I can get this unzipped. All right. Patch that kind of covers the bottom of the zipper right there. So it's turned out pretty good.